What is up, YouTube? Today's video is going to be a bit different. This one's going to be a POV drive, and we're going to be talking about some things, so I hope you guys can hear me pretty good. I put the camera up there by the rear view mirror, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Today's video, as you saw in the title, is going to be how to make your underpowered car more fun to drive. And there's going to be 5 things that I talk about in the video, which are not performance mods. I mean, technically they are, but they won't make the biggest difference in power, but they will be some things that will make your car, your slow car, more fun to drive. So yeah, let's get to it. Number 1, in my opinion, would be wheels and tires. I know everyone says this, and they do it for a reason. Wheels and tires are just one of the best ways to get better handling and have your car look way better. The stock wheels on this car, it's a Toyota Celica, they're not bad, but of course if you get some really nice wheels, some really nice sticky tires, you're gonna have better handling. Your car is gonna look so much better as well. So number 1, in my opinion, would be wheels and tires. And as we come to the stoplight, I'm gonna get on the highway real quick. See, I think we're safe. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's the knock on the engine. This car has rod knock, but there's an engine coming soon because this one's not gonna be here for that long. So yeah, wheels and tires. Like right now, I have some all seasons since it rains quite a bit over here in Washington, and they've been pretty good to me, even though the car is pretty light. So, but if you want, of course, more performance, stickier tires will be much better for the corners, and yeah, your car will feel much better. That's number 1. Number 2 would be your shift knob and your steering wheel. Let me just focus real quick. I'm just about to turn onto this back road over here. Okay, so number 2, shift knob and steering wheel. Those are going to be your touching points on your car, so you might as well have them feeling good, how you like them. I have my stock steering wheel on my car, but I think it's pretty good. I like it. It doesn't feel all that bad. Of course, in the future I will upgrade, but for now it's pretty good. I got an upgraded shift knob from just eBay. It was like $50, and I thought it was really expensive, but it feels much better than anything else. So there's that. Those are gonna be your touching points, like I said, so you might as well have them feel really great, because that's gonna be your driving experience right there. So number 2, shift knob and steering wheel, basically your touching points. Then number 3 is gonna be a short shifter. I recently put my short shifter on my car, actually just yesterday, and I made a video about that, and it feels much better. I'm still trying to get used to it because the shifts are really close together, but it feels really fun to drive. They are one of the greatest things that you can do to your car for cheap. It will improve your shifting times, therefore making your car a bit faster in a way, and it just feels better. It's gonna be sitting way shorter on the shift boot, on this center console, and the shifts are gonna feel pretty good. I like how they feel. That's gonna be number 3, a short throw shifter. So, and they're actually not that hard to put in. So, if you think they're hard, they're not. So, number 3. Number 4 is gonna be better seats. I got the seats from a GT, the Toyota Celica GT, which are cloth seats, and they're really comfortable. The other ones that I had on this car were the leather seats, and they're pretty good. I like them, but they were really bad. Like, they were all torn apart, and they had water in them. They were just not good seats anymore. So there's that. Better seats. Of course, you can go with some brand seats like Sparco or something like that. They're gonna be more expensive, but they are really good seats. You can go with that if your budget allows for it. I got these from a parts car. They're pretty comfortable. They work pretty good. The only thing that I would say is a concern is just that these don't have airbags on them. The other ones did, but they're still really good seats. And yeah, just better seats are gonna be more grippy. They're gonna hold you in place for when you're going around corners. That's also gonna be connected to your short shifter, your wheels and tires, and your shift knob and steering wheel, because everything's gonna be more for like the driver experience, basically. So there's that. Number 4 is gonna be better seats. You don't have to get expensive ones. You can just look on Craigslist, look on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm pretty sure you can find some pretty good ones for not that much. So better seats. Yeah, just make sure you like them, because they're gonna be what you're sitting in every single time that you get on the car. It's not something that you can ignore. So, and the last one, which is gonna be an exhaust. And on these cars, an exhaust does not make all that much of a difference, as in power, but it will improve your the sound of the car. Just let me go through this light real quick. There's some Mustang in front of me, but like I was saying, you put an exhaust on your car and it's gonna sound way better. It's gonna be much more fun to drive. The Celica GTS, the 2ZZ, makes a really, really good sound when you press on it. I don't really know how to explain it, but it sounds really good, especially with an exhaust. I know my friend had an exhaust on his, and I think it was a cheap one too. It was like $100, but the car sounded pretty good. Of course, if you go with the brand exhaust like Indivia or I don't know, something else, that's the only one that I know that's pretty good. But if you go with the brand one, it's gonna sound much better. The metals are gonna be better quality, and yeah, just get a good one. Get one that you like. Look up reviews, look up YouTube videos. I have my exhaust, my stock exhaust on, and I'm good for now with my stock one, but if you get a better one, which I will in the future, your car is going to be much, much better. So, doing a little okay, I thought the video stopped for a little bit, but it was just my phone telling me that I got low battery. And let me show you guys the steering wheel that I have. I got the stock Toyota Celica steering wheel. Got my shifter, my shift loop, my short throw shifter, which, as you can tell, it sits pretty low right there. Shift knob feels pretty good, leather, and has the 6-speed stuff right there. Got my seats, which, as you can see, they're from a GT. They feel pretty good though, and they're pretty good shape, pretty comfortable. So there is that. Those are the 5 things that you can do to your car, to your slow car, that can make it more fun to drive, and it'll be just a way better experience on your part. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see anything specific. I've done quite a bit to the Celica, and there will be more stuff coming for it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one.